Okay, now that we know that you want to learn Turkish fast and efficiently, just do that. Learn it fast and efficiently. Okay, what do we have here? Turkish alphabet is a really good way to start to learn Turkish. Now, here many of the letters in Turkish written exactly the same as English. Only there are these green ones under pronunciations. These green ones, ç, this yumuşak g, etc. They are new to you. Other ones, and all of them has just a specific one way of pronunciating. It doesn't change inside the sentence or letter or words. Okay. So directly I will tell all of them now. There is no faster way around it. Let's start. A. And you say it. A. B. C. C. Okay, good. Now, A is like in father, right? Araba, kar, ananas. B is like in book, balık, bebek. C is jazz, C. Yep. Ç is like in cheese. So you know how to say this. Remember Ç from cheese. And D is the same. E is every time E. F is the same. The pronunciation in the words. G is like go, inside the go. Gün, for example, it means day. Gözlük means glasses. Okay, another new one is yumuşak G. Yumuşak means soft. So it means soft G actually. I mean soft G in Turkish. So what does soft G do? It connects two vowels or prolongs a vowel. That's it. So in the example ağaç, it just connects them to prevent saying ağaç. Instead of ağaç, you're saying ağaç, ağaç, just ağaç, two times a together. And in the example of sa, it makes it just long. Sa. That's it. This is a new letter that you have learned. So congratulations. You started to learn. How fast you learning? He is like in hello. It can be he, ha, ho, depending on the vowel next to them. Hayat, hızlı, life, fast. Yes, that's right. So what we are doing something with commitment. If we just do some things fast, we cannot go to the place we want without commitment. Because if we just go fast, we can go like that with distractions. Fast, but distracted, right? But fast and consistent, you just go to the place you want. So yeah, there are some philosophy also inside these lessons, but not that much. Okay, ha is like that. There is two I, if you will, like like in cousin, cousin, this one, and this is without a dot. So let me show you. This is like in cousin. I wrote the cousin like in Turkish. And E, A sports. It's in the game. And E is like in C. These two A's are E in Turkish. It makes it. So there is two like that we have. One of them E, one of them E. And we will use them later. J, like in measure. J. Pronunciation is like that. You also have this. K, kalem, kite, kırmızı, red. L, lamp, me, man, ne, note. These are all the same. I'm just passing them fast. Nasıl, neden? Nasıl, neden is questions. Both of them, if you noticed, start with N, and many questions, like WH questions, are starting with ne, which means what. Just a little changing, like nasıl, how. Neden, from what, for what reason, Okay. O is on, otobüs, okul, otobüs, bus, okul, school. U is fur. Sorry. Ö is fur, like in fur. Ö, fur. Öğrenci, özgür. This is also new, like O with dots. O, Ö, on, fur. Easy. Pen, perro. Radio, renk, Berkay. It doesn't matter if you say it like r or r, just r, re. Both of them fine, all of them fine. S, snake, and ş is like, again, kind of some doubt under it. It's like şu, şehir, şarkı. Ş. Cool. Say, şehir. Yeah, yes, nice. T, table, easy. U, food, inside food. U, and U is dotted U. U, Ü. The difference. U, say, Ü. Nice. Q, like Q, Q, Ü. Üzgün. Üniversite. University. Üniversite. Van. V. Y, yellow. Z, zebra. That's it. Pronunciation is this. And you will continue with the worksheet. There's an amazing worksheet. You can download it and do it. See you. Good luck.